Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best double boilers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is SONGZIMING Stainless Steel Double Boiler Pot. A pot that will melt anything for you, be it chocolate, cheese, or wax for candle making. The SONGZIMING Stainless Steel Double Boiler will retain the nutrition while melting the food without burning. It is also ideal for mixing, baking, and can be used as a normal container. The pot has a 2-cup capacity, which is 480 milliliters, and will fit in any small steaming pan. Also, this double boiler is very convenient to use, for it has a front hook that keeps the pot in place. The handle is heat resistant, and it has double pour spouts on both sides. Perfect for melting butter, cheese, candy, chocolate, candle making, etc. Also used a normal container. It is a perfect item for your baking and cooking time. Convenient to use, front hook to prevent sliding away, double pour spouts both sides, flat bottom, and the handle stayed cool while overheat. This is a cute little double boiler for small recipes, such as chocolate-covered pretzels, candy, and even small candy apples. As long as you don't get the really big apples, but the little ones that come in the bags at grocery stores, you can make candy and caramel apples with this little double boiler. Perfect for when you want to do a small recipe and don't want to haul out a big double boiler. Also easier to clean up than a big one. Pros: stainless steel pot, sturdy and heat resistant, multi-purpose, convenient to use, prevents burning, easy to clean. Cons: small size. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sysmie Stainless Steel Double Boiler. For melting something in small quantities, why haul out those bulky double boilers? Here's a large but handy double boiler that can do the job. It is lightweight, easy to use, and rust resistant. Made of high quality 304 stainless steel, it is designed with a flat bottom to prevent toppling and double pour spouts for added convenience. And what makes it special from other regular boilers is the silicone covering on the handle, which means it is heat resistant and you needn't worry about putting on oven mittens. Besides this, you get a silicone spatula for all your stirring, scraping, and spreading needs, thus making it a useful add-on. Coated with soft silicone and stainless steel inside, the handle is nice and firm to hold. The spoon spatula works well from the small jar to the large mixing bowl and is invaluable in your kitchen. Perfect for stirring, scraping, and folding a wide variety of foods, and no seams or cracks to trap food. Pros: ideal for gentle cooking, durable and rust resistant. The handle has a heat-resistant covering, topple-proof and spill-proof. Recommended for melting and heating. Easy to clean. Cons: it's not dishwasher safe. Number 3. Our third best pick is T-fal Specialty Stainless Steel Double Boiler. The fear of double boilers toppling is real, which is why strong and easy grip handles are imperative. Take T-fal Stainless Steel Double Boiler as a prime example, for it has ergonomic handles that guarantee safe cooking. The boiler, on the other hand, is sturdy with aluminium construction, and the pan is made of durable stainless steel that ensures rapid and thorough heating. And the most important feature of the boiler, it is non-stick, which means no scrapping, only easy cleaning. Aluminium construction with non-stick exterior and interior for easy cooking and cleanup. Durable stainless steel boiler insert. Ergonomic black handle for a safe and secure grip. Even heat base. Bought this double boiler primarily for heating milk for homemade yogurt. It works well for that purpose in that it holds 2 quarts of milk. The milk does not burn on the bottom, and there is a small hole in the lid that is perfect for inserting a thermometer. Pros: non-stick boiler, heats up quickly and evenly. Robust and durable construction. Ergonomic handles. Dishwasher safe, lifetime warranty. Cons: some food items may stick onto the bottom. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is RSVP International Double Boiler. This cute and compact double boiler is all you need to quickly melt some chocolate, butter, or cheese. Since it has double pour spouts and a flat bottom, it is highly convenient too. Though a lot of people worry that steel may warp, this one is made of stainless steel and will easily fit in any small-sized pan because of the attached front hook. A must-try for all those who always end up with last-minute melting or steaming. The RSVP International Double Boiler for chocolate could be a great option to add in your kitchen. Features a pot rest for convenient use and double spouts for pouring excess liquid and easily moving food from insert to plate. For melting butter or making simple syrup, you can't go wrong with this handy double boiler. You could use a small sauce pot setting inside of a larger one for years. This method worked well, but this product has 2 spouts to pour from, especially good for a southpaw to use, and a convenient hanging loop to hang it by. This product is quality built. It is made of a nice gauge of metal that has been cleaned in a dishwasher. Pros: small-sized and quick, durable and reliable, highly convenient, dishwasher safe, ideal for steaming, melting, and mixing. Cons: it is not topple-proof. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Winware Stainless 16 Quart Double Boiler with cover. For all those who like classic double boilers, the Winware Double Boiler is made of heavy-duty stainless steel and has a sturdy construction. This means it is warp-free. Larger than most of the boilers online, it is efficient and a great option for preparing big family meals. The pot is extremely convenient and keeps the food warm for a long time too. Also, it is non-stick, which makes it a to-go for preparing cheese or melting chocolate in large batches. Heavyweight stainless with encapsulated bottom. Durable commercial grade, heavy gauge stainless steel cover. 16 quart pot with double boiler insert. You could use this double boiler for cheese making. If you plan to make 10-quart cheese recipes, get this one. For some idiotic reason with double boilers, companies tell you the capacity of the outer pot rather than the one you actually will be cooking in. Anyway, the pots work great and you won't be getting any issues. Pros: ideal for cooking great meals. Sturdy and durable. Induction safe. Keeps the food warm for longer. Cons: it might be a little heavy. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.